I took an electric tuk-tuk tour through some streets of Bonaire and in Kralendijk, its capital. It's a small and very pretty island. There are excellent guides who are very friendly, and you can ask them anything about the island and they'll give you an immediate answer. They briefly tell you about the history, culture, and life on the island. It's a very interesting trip. Explore Kralendijk on a small group walking tour led by a knowledgeable local guide who shares personalized stories and insights. This engaging experience allows you to discover hidden gems and enjoy tailored attention as you stroll through the heart of Bonaire. The tour includes exclusive local knowledge, helping you uncover authentic experiences in Kralendijk. Skip waiting in lines and maximize your time for exploration and enjoyment. Enjoy a more intimate setting with a limited number of participants for a deeper connection. Receive support and answers to your questions throughout your Kralendijk walking tour.